Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Cash App card to FanDuel. Firstly, open the Cash App on your mobile device and navigate to the Cash Card tab by tapping on the card icon. Follow the steps requested for a card. If you don't already have one, it acts like a Visa debit card. Launch the FanDuel app on your device and sign into your account. Go to the account balance or deposit screen and select Add Funds option. Choose the Visa debit card method for deposits and enter the details of your Cash App card such as card number, expiration date, and CVV. When you're done, confirm the information and save the card to your account. Deposit a small amount of your Cash App card to ensure it works with FanDuel. Once linked, you can use your Cash App card for deposits and withdrawals on FanDuel. And that's it guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.